Now, in the first clarification, I want to make a distinction between two different questions. The first question, can Christians celebrate Christmas? Can Christians celebrate Christmas? Second question, should Christians celebrate Christmas? Should Christians celebrate Christmas? Now, what is the distinction between these two different questions? The distinction is in between the meaning of the word can in this context and the meaning of the word should in this context. When I say, can a Christian celebrate Christmas? What I mean is that in the correct usage of that auxiliary verb in this context, I'm speaking to the permissibleness, the lawfulness of the action of observance of Christmas traditions. In other words, when I say, can Christians celebrate Christmas? What I'm asking is, according to our spiritual country's constitution, the nation or the kingdom of spiritual Israel, are we allowed to celebrate Christmas? It'd be the same question as me asking you, are we allowed in America by our legal system to steal from stores or to take something that does not belong to us? We would not be allowed to do that. We are not allowed in our kingdom to steal. We're not allowed to lie. We're not allowed to commit murder. We are not given the legal permission to take such actions. And so the word can, that auxiliary verb, is referring to the permissibleness, the lawfulness of an action. That is a different question when we're asking, that is a different question from the question, should Christians celebrate Christmas? When I use the word should in this context, I'm referring to the expediency of the action. That is, whether it is wise or unwise to celebrate Christmas. You can have an action that is unwise, but not immoral. For example, it is not immoral to chug a gallon of expired milk, but it is unwise. And so there's a difference between the wisdom of an action and the morality of an action. And so when I ask, can Christians celebrate Christmas, which is the title and subject of this video, I'm speaking to the legality of celebrating Christmas, not the expediency. So I'm not answering the question of should Christians, but can Christians. I'm not referring to how wise it is to celebrate Christmas. I'm referring to if we are legally permitted to celebrate Christmas. That is the first clarification.